Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a utility bill payment kiosk works in a simple step-by-step way. First, the user walks up to the kiosk and touches the screen to begin. The kiosk shows different utility services such as electricity, water, gas, internet, telephone, and other bill payment options. The user selects the service they want to pay for. Next, the kiosk asks for account information. The user enters the account number, customer ID, or bill reference number using the on-screen keyboard. This information helps the system find the correct bill from the utility provider's database. After that, the kiosk connects to the service provider and fetches the latest bill details. It displays important information such as customer name, account number, due date, bill amount, convenience fee, and total payable amount. Then, the user carefully reviews the details on the screen. This step is very important because it confirms that the bill belongs to the correct account. Once everything looks correct, the user taps the Confirm button to continue. After confirming, the kiosk shows available payment methods. The user can choose cash, debit card, credit card, QR code, UPI, mobile wallet, or other digital payment options depending on the kiosk system. Then, the user completes the payment by following the instructions on the screen. For cash payment, notes are inserted into the cash acceptor. For card payment, the card is inserted, tapped, or swiped. For QR or wallet payment, the user scans the code and approves the payment from their mobile device. Next, the kiosk processes the payment securely through the bank or payment gateway. During this time, the system verifies the transaction, checks the payment status, and sends confirmation to the utility service provider. Once the payment is successful, the kiosk displays a confirmation message on the screen. It may also show a transaction ID, which helps the user track the payment later if needed. After that, the kiosk prints a receipt. The receipt includes the account number, bill amount, convenience fee, total paid amount, date, time, and transaction ID. The user should collect and keep this receipt as proof of payment. Finally, the kiosk returns to the home screen and becomes ready for the next customer. Utility bill payment kiosks are useful because they are available 24/7, support multiple payment methods, provide instant receipts, and make bill payment fast, secure, and convenient. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.